What are you doing?
I'm playing. It's so hot outside. Will you be kind enough to give me a drink?
Of course.
Thank you.
You heard Maya. We have to make a drink for her. Let's get started. On my mind, I'm thinking a lemonade. Come on, let's do it. Okay, guys, since Maya likes lemonade and strawberries, we're gonna put it together. So, strawberry lemonade. So, let's get started. So, first take a lemon and you have to roll it for a good juice. And now you have to cut, so you can put the other half somewhere else. And so now cut it. My sister really likes lemon, so I'm just taking out the seeds here. She likes lemon. Okay, so I've got these into pieces, so you just want to get it into fine pieces. Okay, yeah. So I got that into pieces. So I got 3 strawberries here. So I'm just gonna take out the top part of it, and you're gonna just cut it. So I'll see you in a bit.
Why are you cutting strawberries?
Okay, now I've got these into chunks. I don't want big pieces, so I'm leaving this aside. So I'm gonna get a glass cup. Okay, so I got my glass cup here. So I got 1 spoon full of sugar. You can add a little bit more if you want for a sweeter taste. So I'm just gonna put it here. And now I'm gonna put my strawberries inside. So if you guys don't have a crusher, you can use a wooden spoon. The reason I'm using a wooden spoon is because it gives a better effect of crushing it, and the spoon, it can sometimes damage the glass. So now you just want to do that. It's just gonna take a while. So you just want it into pieces. So you don't want to blend it, because if you blend it, the taste just goes away. Smashing it is much better. And you want the sugar and the strawberries nicely blended in, big chunks like this. On the sides of the glass, you can see so I got my strawberries nice. So time to take the lemons. So instead of just squeezing the lemons, we're just gonna do this technique. See, the juice comes out much better, and it's really just yummy. So yeah. Ew. My sister likes the lemon flavor, so I've got half a lemon, and now I'm gonna take a bottle. So I've already got 1 cup of water in here, and if you guys have a lid for the glass that you're using, feel free to use that, but I don't have one, so that's why I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. The piece. Okay, so now I've got all my ingredients in here. So time for the last step. Close it, and no, not drinking yet. Shake it. So shaking it gives it a nice flavor, and it just gets everything blended in much better. Okay, so I've got that shaked up. So now I'm gonna open it and pour it in. Since that doesn't give that much flavor, I'm adding the small pieces inside too. The pieces give it a much nicer effect. So time for the lasting step. Now I'm adding small ice cubes. I have these flower shapes. You can crush them if you'd like. I am not. Oops. That's fine. Okay, so I've got that in there. So for garnish, I'm gonna take a strawberry and cut it in the middle a little bit. And oh. So if you are a little sister, you're super duper lucky. So I added the straw for my sister. So I hope she enjoys it. Let's go give it to her.
Whoa, you done it so fast. What about you try?
Just in case, I brought another straw.
Delicious.
But if you have a kind, caring sister like mine, you should be happy that you're an older sister too. This is really good. You should try it at home, and please subscribe to Maggie the Big Sister. Thanks for watching.
And I am the little sister.
Thanks for watching. Bye.